You know you're not a cat, right? I know, but I'm in love with this. Okay, let's go here. But, okay, you can play this after this video. Wait, what? We are recording? Yeah. Cool stickers. It's so loud, right? What? It's so loud, right? Oh, yeah. I don't know. I think I'm a bit hungry. Aren't you? Yes, of course. I'm hungry too. What should we eat? Maybe some mooncakes? I don't know, but my mom's have brought some mooncakes. Do you want to try? Oh, yes! Let's put this aside. And also, we've got a brand new honey slash bread slash bee sticker. So cute, right? So, we've brought this mooncake. I don't know if you like it also, but do you want to sit aside because I'm going to open it? Oh, sure. Thank you. So let's open it and see what's inside. What is this? Oh my gosh, it's a chest. Let's see what's inside. Is there anything? Oh yeah, there's like a tag thingy. It's got lost. So let's see. It is called Disney Princess Collection Zoe Gift Box. So you can see it right over here. I'm going to put this aside too. Let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. Wow, it's some mooncakes. So, my mom said there is mango and also blueberry. So, I'm going to want to take this layer off so you can see it better. Okay. You've got mango and a blueberry. Let's take a knife and some toothpicks right there. Yeah. So here's the mooncake. What's inside? Going to put it back in. Close it. Okay, so let's get this piece of paper right here. Here. Okay, so I'm going to put it right here. Well, the chest is blocking me right over here, so I'm going to put it back right here. So, these are Princess's mooncake. I'm so excited to try them. Let's open it with a scissor. I would want to try the blueberry first. Okay, I think I'm going to cut it a little bit again and then put this aside. Okay, so let's get it out. Wow. It is a diamond. See? So cool, right? So let's cut it in half and see what's inside. Wow, it's so cool, guys. I know you cannot see it, but I can. Okay, so here's the diamond. I'm going to use this toothpick. And oh, it's stuck together. Let's wait for it. Okay. So this is what this inside looks like. You can see it is blueberry. So let's try it now. It's so tasty. Okay, here what you can see. I'm going to put it right here. And now let's open the mango. Okay, I think this is quite appropriate, so I'm going to get this out. Put it right here. So let's try this mango, as I say. You need the scissors again. Cut again. Oh, it's so hard to cut. Maybe my scissors not sharp enough. Okay, I can get it out. Now it's another diamond on an orange mooncake. So I think you cannot see it at that angle, so you can see it again. Okay. So I'm this time going to cut it in 4 pieces. Okay. So now let's get another new one. A new top, a new whatever. I forgot what it says. Never mind. Okay. So let's put it in and see what's inside. I'm going to eat this small one. Oh. It's stuck. Oh no. Okay. So this is what's inside. And now let's try it. It's yummy. If you say I compare these two, I would rather say the mango one because the mango one is like tastier. By the way, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also like. And here's my buddy. Hey guys! Should I say? You will say bye, thanks for watching. Okay, bye! Thanks for watching! Okay, you can play with it now. I want to sleep. Okay, you can sleep.